Now, is there a particular success story that comes to mind where Statseeker really helped make a measurable impact? Like, I think of examples could include like resolving a network outage faster than otherwise, or uncovering other issues that were previously missed. Is there anything that, like a success story that comes to mind?
One that comes to mind is one of the US's largest universities. The university system has about 23 campuses, 47,000 staff, and about 500,000 students. Their network was just growing exponentially, and they couldn't keep up with it. So they turned to Statseeker, used our tool to get ahead of that. And one way they used us was to create a detailed asset inventory. And that's another thing Statseeker's great at, is really getting a look at what all your devices are doing on your network. And so this university, they identified unused ports, network hardware, and they decommissioned about 2,500 devices that weren't needed and restructured their network. And that saved them about $30 million over 5 years, with reduced hardware, installation, personnel, and electricity costs. So it not only cut their expenses, but improved efficiency. And that was all mapped out through Statseeker. And really, they were so spread out over these 23 campuses. We didn't know what they had or how to go about fixing things. And really, Statseeker was key to helping them explore their network and figure out where they could optimize it.